Introducing the world's first reversible micro-B USB cable from Lightors. We all use USB cables to charge and sync our devices, but not all cables are created equal. Some cables cause frustration and waste our time. Why was something so important made to be so inconvenient? Why not change what's hard to use? With a reversible cable, there's no time wasted and no frustration. We see it here, and even here. So why don't we see it in our USB cables? With innovation, we can bring symmetry to the USB cable. There are over 2 billion people using smartphones in the world today. 1.6 billion of those people need a micro USB cable to charge their device. If those people all used a Lightors reversible micro USB cable, they would get enough time back to change the world. Why be stressed? Use what's easy and comfortable. You need a micro USB cable for your portable devices. Use a cable that works with all your devices, is reversible, and is simple and convenient. But what about Apple users? With a variety of accessories that need a micro USB cable, Apple users now have a simple solution. They can use a Lightors cable. It's reversible, just like their Lightning cable. Reversible micro USB cables, an excellent idea from Lightors.